In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a copyright symbol in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer and load the project you want to work on. This can be a brand new document or an existing file that you're editing. Once your project is open inside the editor, look to the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen and select the Type tool. The icon looks like a capital letter T. With the Type tool selected, click on the area of your canvas where you want the copyright symbol to appear. This could be in a corner of your image, as part of a watermark, or inside a block of text like a caption or a logo. When you click, Photoshop will create a text cursor. If there's placeholder text, go ahead and highlight it so you're ready to replace it with the copyright symbol. Now, the way you type the copyright symbol depends on whether you're on Windows or Mac. On Windows, make sure you have a keyboard with a numeric keypad, because this method uses those number keys on the right side of the keyboard. Your numlock should be turned on. With the text cursor active in Photoshop, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and while still holding it, type 0169 on the numeric keypad. Then release the Alt key. As soon as you let go, you should see the copyright symbol appear right where your text cursor was. On a Mac, the process is even simpler. With the Type tool active and your text cursor in place, all you need to do is press the Option key and the letter G at the same time. So that's Option plus. When you release the keys, the copyright symbol will appear in your text. Once you've done this, take a moment to check your symbol. You can change the font, size, and color just like any other text in Photoshop. For example, you might want a small, subtle symbol in the corner, or a larger one as part of a clear copyright notice. You can also move it around with the Move tool if you want to reposition it on your canvas. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a copyright symbol in Adobe Photoshop using the built-in keyboard shortcuts for your operating system.